I'm here at Stourbridge Junction railway station. I'm going to go and find the Stourbridge Shuttle. Let's go and find it. It's a jolly little station, this one. It's nice. The train from Stourbridge Junction to Stourbridge Town is £1.80 return, which is a bargain, and it's only 3 minutes each way on the Stourbridge Shuttle, and it should be arriving any moment now. And here it is. It's not very big, is it? Let's get on it now. The Stourbridge Shuttle is great. I know it's only just about a mile between the two stations, Stourbridge Junction and Stourbridge Town, but it's a good service. It gets you from the outside of town into town, so there's a parking right at Stourbridge Junction, so it's easy for people to kind of get into Stourbridge itself, and that's just a good thing. Public transport working for the public, which is how it should be. More places should do something like this. It's good. Stourbridge Town. The Stourbridge Town branch line is the shortest railway line in Britain, and it's the second shortest line in Europe to host a daily service. There's a shorter one in Germany, in Friedrichshafen. Stourbridge Town's a lot easier to say than that. So that concludes my video at the Stourbridge Shuttle here. It's been good. I liked it. Stourbridge Junction to Stourbridge Town and back on a beautiful little small one carriage train. Perfect. If you're in the area, go and have a go on it. It's good. In the meantime, don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment underneath about your favourite train journeys, and I might see if I go and do one of those myself soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.